Hello, this video is going to be about sharing a video with your students in your Google Meet. I know it seems a bit simple, but if you share your entire screen, the audio from your video will not work. So what you need to do is share a tab. So I'll show you right now. First thing you're going to want to do is turn off your microphone from your Meet. Otherwise, the students will get an echo. Next thing you'll want to do is turn on captions. Um, and then you're going to click on Present Now. So instead of presenting your entire screen or window, you want to click on a Chrome tab, and it says there, best for video and animation. So you click on a Chrome tab, and then you select your tab that you want to show. I'm going to click on this lo-fi hip hop radio. It's kind of good when you have any downtime. If you want to play some music, it's good music. It's real chill, real mellow. I'll show you some things you'll have to do if you do that. You click share, and then it will start to share this particular screen. You definitely want to turn off the chat, and then it'll just have this image, and then go ahead and click play. When you do that, the audio from the tab that you have open will actually be playing for the students, and they can adjust the volume accordingly, or you can adjust the volume here. All right, have a good one.